Hello, amazing people. Have you been thinking on how to make shea butter petroleum jelly cream rich, smooth, and profitable that you can confidently sell or use at home? In today's video, I will take you through the complete step-by-step process of making this amazing cream using simple, affordable ingredients. Don't go nowhere. Grab your jotter and pen. Don't skip. Watch to the end to get all the tips and secrets of making profit. Welcome back. Let's quickly run down our ingredients for today's production. We have shea butter, we have paraffin oil, we have wax, we have petroleum jelly, we have vitamin E, and we have our fragrance. All these ingredients, you can get it where you normally buy all your soap, like liquid soap ingredients, or those ones that sell organic products. Just go with your list and you get it at affordable price. Here is my pot or my heat source. We'll be using pot and you will need your heat source. You can use your stove, you can use your gas, or even your coal pot for your heat source. Just make sure you work with a very low heat. The first ingredient goes into my dry clean pot is my paraffin oil. I use 200 ml of paraffin oil. Then I added my petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly, I also use 200 grams of petroleum jelly. Do not fry it. Work with a low heat. If you can see through the pot now, you will see that it's not all that hot. It's not something that I'm frying. So do not fry it. Work with a low heat. So after adding my petroleum jelly, I will allow it to melt together with the paraffin oil. So the next ingredient I'm adding is my paraffin wax. So paraffin wax, I add just 20 grams. Now let's see how all these ingredients can be of benefit to our skin. Paraffin wax, it helps soften rough and dry skin. It can also form a protective barrier on the skin. It is best for cracked skin. So you always have a cracked skin, this shea butter cream is for you. Paraffin oil prevents moisture loss from the skin. It helps keep the skin soft and smooth and gentle enough for babies and people with sensitive skin. So if you have a very sensitive skin, you can also use these types of cream. Petroleum jelly helps seal moisture into the skin and prevents water loss. Petroleum jelly is excellent for overnight treatments of very dry area. It helps prevent diaper rash by protecting baby skin from moisture and irritation. This cream is also good for babies, especially babies that are still using diaper. That is why I always say it's not everything that you will buy. Learn how to make some things on your own at comfort of your own. The next ingredient I'm adding inside is my shea butter. 60 grams of shea butter. Don't forget to work with a very low heat. Shea butter is a natural fat extracted from the nut of the shea tree. It's rich in vitamin A and E, which nourish the skin. It helps improve skin elasticity, soothe irritated skin and reduce dryness. Shea butter also protects the skin natural moisture barrier. It's suitable for babies and people with sensitive skin. I added my shea butter and allow it to melt together with the remaining ingredients. So I stir it very well in order for it to melt and mix together with all other ingredients in the pot. Remember, I'm working with a low heat. That is why you are not seeing it frying anyhow. So if you are practicing it on your own, make sure you work with a low heat. You might be wondering, can I really start a business with this shea butter cream? Yes. My answer is capital yes. It's another lucrative business that you can start at comfort of your own. This is a business that will cost you just little capital, and you can start marketing it to people around you, people in your church, your mosques, your friends, your neighbors. You can start supply all these small church shops in your area. Don't wait until you gather maybe big capital, buy engines and this and that before you start something. This is something that you can lay your hands on that will bring profits into your pocket every day. And it is very simple to make. Just follow it step by step. And the next thing I will be adding now is, you can see that the shea butter has melted together with the ingredients. Then the next thing I will be adding is my vitamin E. Vitamin E is an optional. You can choose to add, or you can just leave it. So I'll be adding vitamin E 5 ml. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. It supports healthy looking skin, and it also helps keep the skin soft and smooth. It helps improve the shelf life of products containing oil by showing oxidation, though it's not complete preservative. And combination of all the ingredients is ideal for dry skin, eye-shaped skin, cracked skin, and hand creeps, baby cream, and also before diaper use, and so on. Immediately I added my vitamin E into the remaining ingredients in the pot. I stir it, and after stirring it, I bring it down from the heat source. That is, I drop it from the fire. So I stir it and I allow it to cool for some minutes. After like 2 minutes, then I added my perfume to it. I added my fragrance. Note that I did not add my fragrance on the fire. So in order to keep the fragrance active and also allow the fragrance to blend well together with the products, there are some fragrance that you can add it on the fire. If you not really mix with the oil, it will separate. So after allow it to cool down for a bit, then you can add the fragrance and stir it. And the next thing now is to get your container ready. I mean, whatever you choose to use as your packaging container. So, and you make sure you add it as it is hot. Don't allow your cream to cool completely in the pot before adding it into the container. If not, you will mess the whole thing up. You have to add it as it's hot like this. So this is our finished products. This is beautiful shea butter cream. Note, as soon as you pour it into the packaging bottle, do not move it from that spot. Allow it to cool down and get solidified in that very spot. And few hours later, this is it. This is our beautiful shea butter cream. You can see, is it not beautiful? Let's look at the texture. It's so soft, smooth, and you see, baby can use it, the whole family can use it. And I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. If so, drop my thank you in the comment section. Like, comment, and share. Also, If you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. You will get notified when we drop another amazing video just like this. Lest I forget, if you want to make it in a very large quantity, maybe you want to start business with it, you want to make a large quantity, kindly get this ebook. It contains the large quantity, and when you get the ebook, make sure you let me know so that I can also put you through, tell you some other secrets that will give you big profits. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.